Boom. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is T.J. Vaughns, and I am a former UNT Dallas student, class of 2019 graduate, and a current UNT Dallas employee who works within our Student Solutions Center at, you guessed it, UNT Dallas. Look, I've been given the marvelous, glamorous, fantastic, supercalifragilisticexpialidocious opportunity of coming to you all and providing some advice for moving into fully online due to COVID-19 and the pandemic restrictions that we're encountering. Some of you may be professional online students. You had all online classes before. You know what to do. You already got a rhythm. You already got a flow down the stream. That's fine and dandy. Now, for our students who are encountering their first semester fully online, have no fear. Solutions are here. Not one, not two, but 3 survival tactics for taking fully online courses. And I'm going to bring those to you right now. Let me put on the right gear. He's back. I'm about to drop the top 3 survival tactics for taking those online courses during this pandemic involved semester. Starting with number 1. Use your resources. Use the resources. Use the resources. Use the resources. Now, what are resources? I'm not talking about water, shelter, no. I'm talking about the resources that are given to you as a student taking courses. Your professors are resources. Believe it or not, your classmates are resources. Here at UNT Dallas, we have tutoring services. Other institutions have tutoring services. Use these services. Use these resources. They're there to help you. If you get stuck, you get stumbled, don't feel like you're on your own just because there's no one right there in front of you helping you out. It's time for you to reach out. Hop on the email, hop into the messenger that you have within whatever service is offered for you to complete your assignments. We have Canvas here at UNT Dallas. Other institutions may have Blackboard. Go into those services and actually utilize them to their fullest potential. Believe it or not, your professor is going to have something in the syllabus that tells you how to reach out to them the best way. Even some professors have it where you can text them. And don't forget about your classmates. Come on now. Sometimes you're in a math course, you're not too good at math. That's okay. You're real good at English. You're real good at writing. But this math class just doesn't sit too well with you. Well, guess what? The other person who's not good at English, not good at writing, they're great at math. And they're there and they can help you out. So use those resources around you. Number 2. Time management. You know, we cannot get through a video without talking about time management. This is one of the most important. Because remember this, take this down. Look, time is the only asset that you can't get back in life. Get you a planner, okay? If you don't like using the phones, you get too many messages, you miss your notifications, get you a planner. Write it down. We are not robots. We can't depend on this all the time. Remember, each and every due date and everything that's going on, get you a planner to help you organize and manage your time. The syllabus is your best friend for time management. Break those syllabi open and really write that information down, people. That's how you keep up with your dates. Sometimes your professor give you a little friendly reminder, a little nudge on the show. Hey man, don't forget we got such and such. You might even get email notifications that remind you. But it's just something about grabbing that syllabus and then putting those dates down in your planner and your phone and really remembering and making it stick and still having a backup reminder so you don't forget. Come on, y'all. Let's work smarter, not harder. This is the one, y'all. Balance your time. What do I mean by that? Do not get drained out. Do not sit down for 3 hours straight and just read. Take mental breaks. We are not robots. We are not one of those. You need time for your mind to expand, to relax. Yes, you have to finish your work, but no, you do not have to sit there in one spot like this going through things, reading things for 15 hours straight. Don't do it. You're just going to drain yourself out and it's going to make it a bad day. Okay? Now last but not least, begin with the end in mind. What do I mean by that? Begin with the end in mind. What is TJ saying? He said begin with the end in mind, but it doesn't really. I'm about to tell you. Watch this. You ever had a dream, a goal, a vision, or something that you really wanted, and you said, I'm not letting anything stop me from getting there? That's exactly what I'm talking about. Find that end goal. Find that, whether it be making an A in this course, whether it be graduating, whether it be getting that dream job here. Figure out what find the end goal. Find something to tell your brain this is what you're focusing on. Because guess what? When times get hard, when it's time to submit 4 or 5 exams on that same Saturday, and you like, man, I don't know how I'm gonna do it. You're gonna think about that end goal, and that's gonna motivate you right there. Oh man, I can't stop. I can't stop because I gotta get here. I can't let the little obstacles right now slow me down because I'm trying to get here. And that's how you do it, y'all. That's the key. That's why that's the last one. That got me through my entire college career. You got to remember, I'm going out here. I'm doing this for my family. I'm doing this for me. I'm doing this so I can walk that stage. Remember what your end goal is and push forward to it. So when you're comparing, oh, I got 3 assignments due on the same day to this is my dream right here. Those 3 assignments don't stop that dream. Point blank, period. You might be thinking right now, that doesn't even relate. He's just saying things because they sound good. No, I promise you, once you have that motivation factor, whatever it is that inspires you to do better and complete things, when it comes down to it and you lose motivation, you think about that one thing and it's sitting right there and you're like, man, I'm going to get there. This has been a message brought to you by the one and only TJ Vons from UNT Dallas. In all seriousness, I appreciate whoever's watching this right now. I truly hope those 3 tactics / survivor tips will allow you to move forward and give you a little peace of mind. As a wrap up, number 1, use your resources. Ask questions as needed. Number 2, time management and get organized. And number 3, begin with the end in mind. Find what motivates you, what pushes you, what gives you that and let it help you walk through. I'ma holler at y'all later. Look, watch this spin. Watch this. Did I do it? I did it.